What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Maddie here as always. As you can see, it's cold today, really cold, 29 degrees, and we are heading to the track. We are driving up to Connecticut. I want to say thank you to Dan. I'll leave his YouTube channel. You're gonna see him here. He has a pretty nice C5 Corvette. He's not bringing it today though. He's bringing his Evo. So probably we're gonna have like 3 or 4 Corvettes, but a bunch of different cars. So let's drive. I need gas as always. I'm not late today. I'm not late. This is a fun thing because it's called GS Motor Club. I'll leave the link for their Instagram below. You guys can check it out. It's like all, you know, kind of cars. So we're probably gonna have Hondas, Porsches. If this video is too long, just stick around because a lot of action here. I hope. Cross my finger, the car is gonna survive. We made it. This is the first stop. So many different cars: Mustang, BMWs, Mustang, Porsches. Look at this, Porsches, a bunch of stuff. It's gonna be a fun day for sure.
All we ask is just, you know, take your time, be safe getting there. You know, we're all gonna get there. Let's not do anything that we wouldn't suggest. So we're gonna be on the highway for about an hour, then the remaining 45 minutes is gonna be all back roads. So remember, it's cold, there could be ice, there could be water down when there's a lot of trees. So just be safe and let's get there and have a good time.
What a drive. We are about half hour away. What a drive. I couldn't record that much, but trust me, it was fun. It's way different driving with people you don't know, especially when you're driving with Corvettes. Like if you see a Corvette, you know it's your guys, but here it's such a mix. It's like we are more than 25 cars, probably more easily. Man, I'm excited. The car is doing so far so good. I need gas though. I do need gas. Cars, can you hear? Because here's the track, and behind there you're gonna see some cars driving by. That's the Porsche Club, which they are taking the main track. We are here on the autocross track. You guys gonna see better when I start driving. And we have so many different cars. Look at this. I have Mustangs, BMWs. Of course, we have. I think we have 4 Vets. Or 5. So we have mine, we have like a Grand Sport. So this is Dan's Evo, Porsches, BMWs, Porsches. We have a 01 here too. That's the Porsche Club. They're gonna come up here. Look how cool is that? They're gonna come up here. There we go. The schedule, it's pretty simple. We're gonna have a driver's meeting, and I hope the car handles well. That's the goal. But I think it's perfect to fly the drone. How was it?
That was a lot of fun.
You catch up the guys though.
Huh?
You almost catch up the vet.
I know.
Was slowing everybody down.
So I mean, his car is an absolute monster, but you know, I think it's more set up for like a track like this. There's a lot of small turns, quick turns in and out.
To be honest, I was talking to the guy like, does it really like? It's more tires and brakes here though.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of an informal event, but we have like a WhatsApp group that they call the cars. Like I'm group 6, they are calling group 5, and yeah, I'm excited, man. So one thing I realized, and I'll let you guys know, I cannot use my helmet because otherwise the footage is gonna be backwards. So I'll give you guys a different POV, and also I'm putting my phone there. Good luck, man.
Thank you.
I'm watching from here.
Thanks, dude.
The first time I'll do with traction control on, and then if I feel comfortable, I'll turn it off. That's what I'm gonna do. I think that's the best thing to do. Traction control is holding on. Yeah, boys. First lap. So far, the car hold up pretty well. The only thing is traction control was, I don't know if the camera, the GoPro pick it up, but the traction control was like, I was fighting against traction control. And also, I put a lot of tire shine for the last show I went to, and this is like, I'm sliding all over the place. Once I think the tire shine is off the car, it should be better, but overall, man, I love it. I have a lot to learn though. Like, I think I'm fighting the car too much, you know what I'm saying? But what experience, what experience. Now, I think I have like another 3 or 4 times to go, so I have way more to learn, way more to do. We'll see. I was fighting the car. That's the thing. So I put my seats in a better position. Everything should be in better position now. Honestly, dude, so much fun. That's what this car is made for. That's it. That's what this car is made for. I love it. Was shooting flames all over the place. All right, just ran. I don't know, man. I feel great, but the main thing here is how the car behaves. And so far, this one I had traction control off, and the car did amazing. Man, I don't know if my camera captured the ZR1 was shooting flames in front of me. That's why I need a ZR1 in my life. To be honest, as I said, the tire shiny thrown me off a little bit. I'm letting that cool down for a couple of minutes. And that's it, man. I love this car, dude. The Z06 brakes, it's just like perfect. I don't think my other brakes would perform the way this one did. I'm pretty happy though, because you learn a lot on the turns and stuff, and it's not easy. You gotta trust the car more than actually you do when you drive on the street. This like hands down 100%. And this car, I'm learning to trust the car more and more. So one more, I think we're going out 2 more. So one more time. So since you're here, why not, right? That's it, boys. That's it. That was my last session. I'm not going back. If you get a chance to come to autocross, I really encourage you to do, because dude, it is so much fun. You learn the car, and I'm pretty happy because the car hold on it. Because I was like, you know, I put the brakes, I put the cam, I put everything. I was like, is the car gonna, you know, be able to do what I want the car to do? I'm very happy. As far as I can see, there's no damage. The car's pretty dirty though, but it's track, you know what I'm saying? What are you gonna do? What a great day. Oh my God, the car did amazing. Everything was well. I'm tired though. I need coffee and a Monster. What about that? Just fill it up, the tank of the car. Man, gas here, $4.10. What about that? Crazy, right? But anyway, I have a 2 hours and 10 minutes drive back home. And as always, I'll get you guys when we are in the garage. Boom, I'm not home. And I had to do this because it was so filthy. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys should know that I clean my garage. I don't want the car being in the garage dirty like after a track day, so I stopped by here. Actually, this is the best time to do it because nobody's around. It's like 7 o'clock. Man, that was a lot of fun. And the main thing was the car survived, and it's better than ever. No check engine light, not even my airbag lights on anymore. I fixed that before the track, and it came back, so we're good to go. Huge thank you to Dan. So I'm gonna leave his Instagram. Huge thank you to GS Motor Club to put all this thing together as well. If you guys are not following them on Instagram, I'll leave the Instagram on the link below too, so you guys can see more footage. of it, the track day, and overall just a great day. A lot of people, track. I mean, dude, I think I found what I like it. Driving. I like driving. I like shows too. I like to keep my car clean, as you can see. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.